hours left, and then but yeah, saw some amazing views. Can't see anything now, but also of Oslo so far, I like it. On my way to a place called Pulpit Rock, and yeah, so I've got to take like 3 forms of transport to get there. I literally looked at it yesterday. So it starts with an 8-hour train journey, then a ferry ride, then a bus, and then I've got to hike without a tour guide, but shouldn't be a problem. We'll see how it goes. In Stavanger, got about an hour kip. Now I'm going to sleep in the train station for about 6 hours. I did look for hotels, but they were all sold out, and even hostels, nothing. So train station is closed, so it looks like I'm going to have to find somewhere to sleep, and I don't know where, so I'm not sure how this has happened, but I'm on a ferry, and apparently the first ferry was meant to be at 7:35 AM. It's now 1:30 AM. I hope this takes me to the right place. I've just got off the ferry and it's about 12:15 AM. I think this is the coach I'm going to be getting on, but that doesn't go till 8:50 AM, so I've got ages, and this is my new sleeping point. So I'm currently in a place called Tayo. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, I slept in this place. Found this place last night. So lucky the door was open, so I'd have been freezing outside, and this place looks nice. So I'm now waiting for the coach to then take me to the bottom of the hike, Pulpit Rock, and then we're going to see if we can make it up to the top. I've got 3 hours to do it. I'm going to have to run it a little bit.
A little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen. Could be a new shirt in the store, a cat nap in your office chair, or 2 cups of good, hot, black coffee. Like this. A present. Like Christmas.
I'm gonna do it in record time. The woman says she knows people who's done it in 1 hour, 45 minutes. I've got to do it quicker than that to get to the train. To the top, and yeah, I'm happy with that. Didn't really see much up there, but it was foggy. It's just more of a reason to come back to Norway. I love it here, I do. Beautiful.